Welcome to today's talk on friendship between a scary elephant and a mighty mouse. At home, these two unlikely friends share a unique bond, overcoming their differences to create laughter and joy. The scary elephant, known for its massive size and powerful presence, brings a sense of awe and fear to those around it. Despite its intimidating appearance, the mighty mouse is no match for its big brother. It is brave and curious to explore the various corners of their home, always making sure to small and stay on the ground. Together, they create a dynamic and entertaining atmosphere, as the scary elephant showcases its strengths while the mighty mouse uses its agility to outsmart its big friend. They learn from each other and grow as individuals, embracing their differences and finding strengths in their uniqueness. In this home, the scary elephant and the mighty mouse coexist peacefully, proving that even the most fearsome creature can find a friend worth its weight in gold, and the most powerful mouse can outwit the largest elephant with humor and wit.